Welcome. If you've ever tried to copy and paste on Instagram using your PC and found it tricky, you're not alone. With the latest Instagram update, you can now control Clipboard permissions directly from the app settings, making it easier and more secure to manage what you share. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow asking for Clipboard permission on the Instagram app for PC. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page so you can access all the features. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and find the three dots icon. This is your gateway to more options and settings. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you to a new window with detailed information about the Instagram app installed on your PC. Here you'll see several options, but what you want is Settings. Click to enter the Settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find More Settings and Permissions. This section lets you control specific app permissions, including access to your clipboard. Now, look for the option labeled Clipboard. You'll see a toggle or drop-down menu next to it. Click on it and select Ask. This setting ensures that whenever Instagram wants to access your clipboard, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission. It's a great way to keep your data secure while still enjoying the convenience of copy and paste. And that's it. By following these steps, you've just enabled the option for Instagram to ask before accessing your clipboard on your PC. This gives you more control over your privacy and helps you use Instagram more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little help with their Instagram settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.